has been out for, I think, 12 hours, and I thought I'd give you a scent tour of our house. We are a very Yankee Candle family, so in the bedroom there is an aromatherapy. It's kind of old, you can see the cracks, but it's a soy candle and it smells amazing. And we'll move on before the kitten and puppy get in here. So close up, it's aromatherapy, shea butter, and cedarwood. And in the bathroom, because it's small space, we've got, again, not focusing. This is North Pole. It was a gift. And bathroom's very pepperminty and vanilla. In the living room, we have five scents going. So we'll start here with my second favorite scent, which is sugared apple from Yankee Candle on the end table. Then we have Christmas cookie, followed by, I can't even read this, it's so dark, apple pumpkin. Yeah, apple pumpkin. I need to trim that wick. So here is the only non-Yankee Candle burning. This is, you can't even see it, cinnamon caramel swirl. It's Bath and Body Works tri-wick candle. And over here, oh, gotta go around. Over here, we have Christmas Eve. It's not focusing at all, but yeah, so that's the living room. And I'm sorry if you can hear our generator running right now, but we're keeping the fridge cold. And so this is my favorite, again, not focusing, but it's Yankee Candle and it's in Black Magic. It was a Halloween special. It smells like pipe tobacco and amazingness, and just, I don't know, we have no power, so I'm going to bed.